Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. So today we'll learn about how to use IP adapter and what are the important places where we use IP adapter. If you want such videos on ComfyUI, you just subscribe us. Let's start with IP adapters. So if you are in the ComfyUI, go to the manager, you need one node. Search here IP adapter. So you got this one, IP adapter plus. Okay. You need to download this one and close it. Just install it and restart the system. You got it. Now, let's see how many nodes are present in the ComfyUI related to IP adapter. Okay. So let's first see the what we download. So we install this cubic ComfyUI IP adapter. There are a lot of different IP adapter. Also, you can see that thing. Let's first start with the cubic only. So here it in ComfyUI IP Adapter Plus, the IP adapter is a very powerful tool for image to image conditioning. So this is the first thing for the subject or even just a style transfer for the reference image. So the main thing is to image conditioning. The IP adapter is very powerful tool. So let's start with the in ComfyUI how many nodes are present in this thing related to IP adapter. So one is IP adapter. Let's search for IP adapter only. So this is the first node, basic node. This is the basic node present here, IP adapter. Then we have IP adapter advanced. Then we have IP adapter face ID for the facial expressions and for the facial details. Then we search for IP adapter. There is styled also. Okay. Then IP adapter batch weights. There are a lot of IP adapter. For example, for color models, there is this one. The mad scientist is this one. So the basic one we already see. These four are the basic IP adapter. Maybe one is embedded one. In the starting, we see this thing. These models only. These nodes. Okay. For example, in the basic one, you see there is a model. So you requires model. So where you download the models? You see the models from here, you download the models from here. Go to the files, I will give you the link in the description. Download models. In models, you see the IP adapter SD 1.5. You can download all the model for facial IDs and all the thing. In SDXL model, this you find the SDXL model. So you need to download every model, so it will be easy for you. Okay. So for example, plus SDXL VIT, we will see in that thing in the further video. So how to download in the control net video, I will show you. If you didn't watch that video, so watch that. How to download model from Hugging Face. Okay. You just click on that or maybe directly download it from here and paste it in the folder. And where to paste it? Go to your ComfyUI, go to your ComfyUI, go to in the models. You need to create one folder related to IP adapter. Okay. So for example, there is a folder IP adapter. I placed my all the IP adapters 1.5 SDXL like that. You can make a folder for SD 1.5 or SDXL for different for proper management. So if you didn't find the folder in this one, you need to create one new folder and use it for IP adapter only. Okay, you need to create that folder IP adapter and place all the things. Once it is done, then you see, okay, how to use it. We see the models. So we need a unified loader. Now we search for IP adapter unified loader. Okay. There are three. First we see this one. So you see the model connected to model. IP adapter connected to IP adapter. This is the first thing. Okay. And you need image. So let's take a load image. Let me try with different image. Let me see what image we can use. Done. Let's take this image on. This is the image. And similar thing we have the same thing for advanced also. We search for IP adapter unified loader face ID for the facial expression. So here you see if you clicking here, so there is light version, there is standard VITG plus high plus face for the full face SD XL only, SD 1.5 only. So here you see the plus face only, face ID. So for the facial expression, for the face and all the things, you can use this one. Okay, this it is simple to connect like that IP adapter to IP adapter. And you need one clip vision. Okay, image is also same. You need to connect the image to image. For advanced, you need clip vision. Okay, so load clip vision. Where to download these clip vision? You can go to the directly on the manager and install models and search for clip. Okay, underscore vision. See clip vision. So you see the clip vision model need for IP adapter. You need to download that one. Okay. Need for style models, you need to download this one also if you need it for style transfer and all. First we see it for the IP adapter. Okay, let's see we download this one. So in the ComfyUI, you see this clip vision. So here you find all the models related to clip vision. Once it is done, you see the both the models here. Okay, so there is image negative, what image you don't want in that particular image you want to making. And this is the alteration you must if you need to focus on any particular thing. For example, you need to focus on her eyes. Okay, so you mask it and write in the prompt you want blue eyes or something like that. Okay, so let's make it in the workflow. So these are the all the nodes is similar to model IP adapter, the clip vision and InsightFace. For InsightFace, we see here. Okay, for the IP adapter, for the InsightFace, you need to install InsightFace. Okay, the all the models, the name you can download the IP adapter models directly from here also with ComfyUI model IP adapter. For face models require InsightFace in the ComfyUI environment. How you install that one? So you need to install InsightFace. First of all, if you write here directly InsightFace, for example, I write InsightFace and rerun this thing and okay and save this thing. Okay, come here, go to ComfyUI, yes, ComfyUI pip install dash r, and one more thing needed, it is ONX. Okay, save it, pip install requirement .txt. So install of install dash r requirement .txt. You can see all the things are downloaded here. Okay, then you can use that one. So here you need models also. So from here you see that there is some models, face ID models also are there. So you need to download that one and place it into InsightFace. For example, if we go in the models, we see this folder, it's called InsightFace. So there is Swapper and Buffalo. So these are the models. So it's like similar to ONX also. You need to create one folder which is ONX. So if it requires, you need to add the model. Simple. Now we use the IP adapter in the workflow now. So first we need to buzz them. So how to buzz them? You need to press Control B. So it will freeze that one. Now we add the control net here. Let's use some model Dream Shaper only. We write Excel. We use SD Excel model, so we need 1024, 1024. Okay, let's load the IP adapter. Advanced we use mostly. We need clip vision. For this one, we need IP adapter. Okay, IP adapter, the unified loader. So we connect to this one. Okay, so this is the thing. And for the image, first we need to load the image. Okay, so first we need to load the girl's image, what we were using. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, let's pass it from the clip vision. Perhaps. Okay, this is the thing. So we use this one and then we use this thing. Okay, so why we use this one? So in the IP adapter mostly require the square images. So it will help us to create that square images for the better output. Okay, that's the whole thing. We use clip vision, we use this thing. Now we need to transfer to here. So we connect to models, then we connect to models here. This is the thing we use. So it comes from the model side and it add in the case sampler to the model. So it's like using like that. Okay. Here we give, okay. So let's add, so let's try it out. Clip vision we give. Okay. And let's start with the light one and run that. So we got some error. So what this error shows? We use the SDXL version and we use the IP adapter 1.5. So we need to change it. We check for the standard one. So it starts. Okay. So now it starts. Maybe it runs. Okay. Now we see the outputs of the image. Or let's preview it. Let me preview first. Okay. So it's like a similar what we give in the here. Okay, but red is not the hair. The hair is not red. Let me more focus on the prompt right here. We need to reduce the strength of it 0.6 maybe we try. And we should try with the random. Let's try with the DPM 2M. For the model configuration, you need to always check the model. For example, I am using the Dream Shaper Excel. So it works well with DPM plus plus 2M with Keras. So you can see the configuration in the Civit AI directly. So it will helpful for you. So let's run this one. So it's reddish and we see similar like that, but we want that thing. It's more strength. Let's give to VIT. Okay, it's give me the error. What error? Maybe we need to use a different big one. Clip vision. Okay. So you need to check with the vision models. Okay, what's the error? Sometimes it is a torch error. So you need to see how to change some this vision models and all. You can make it easy. Okay. Now you give the more strength to IP adapter. You need to plus high. Okay. Plus high. Okay. You need to change the model. Yeah, maybe this one. Maybe it give you similar error. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's start. You need to change with the cliff vision models. Okay, let's see. Now we see similar image like that, this girl. Okay. So if you want to, this is the basic workflow. If you learn more about IP adapters, in the next part we'll learn about it. So this is the basic how to use the image to image conditioning through IP adapter, how to use IP adapter, how to write, how many types of IP adapter we see here. So we see that these type of IP adapters. And for here, if we use weights type, there is weights which is strength. Weight type is a is in is out. I will put one whole article on it in the description. You can read it out. Ease in will doing something like how the model process the whole thing. How the model process the whole thing. This thing. So this is the different types. For example, we use ease out. Let's see ease out. Okay. So right now we only use IP adapters, which is the configuration of that particular image ticket like that. Okay. Now if for face ID, for facial, for same face ID IP adapter, so we will see in the further videos. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. We come with such amazing content on IP adapters and the Comfy UI. So stay tuned.